Hey there, welcome back. This is Apon How To. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare spicy shrimp. Enjoy.
Check if the pan has reached medium heat. I tested by also adding a bit of chopped onions, and when I see them sizzle, I know the pan has reached the right temperature. Add crushed pepper, garlic powder, ground ginger, sea salt, tomato ketchup, depending how sweet and tangy you'd like it. Now mix these ingredients with the onions. Now, add the cooked shrimp and mix them well with the onions. Here I'm adding a special masala to add that extra oomph to the shrimp. This is a spicy mix. However, you can add your own spice mix or even try a 5 spice mix if you prefer. Mix the shrimp well with the mix, then cover with a lid. Have the shrimp cook for 10 minutes and uncover and stir.
Thanks for stopping by Apon How To. If you found this video useful, be sure to like this video and tons of DIY stuff coming up on this channel. There are tons of videos still in queue that need to be uploaded. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, this is Savio signing out and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.